Welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to work on creating samples data for analysis purpose. In the preparation tab, we have seen many examples related to samples, selecting records, and many more. But in this example, we'll see how to work on creating samples. Now, again, this is also similar for the data picking up for analysis purpose in different tools, maybe for Python, for R, for Tableau, any software. We pick up some random sample data as well. What I can do is, if you observe till now, we have picked up first 500 records. Let me change 500 to 100 records and execute. So out of 10,000 records, I have just picked up 100 records as an output. This is the same example which was previously taken. Now, I'll bring this create samples tool into the canvas here. Now, if you see on the left hand side, create samples configuration window. Now we have different categories available here: record allocation, validation sample point, and random seed. What I can say is the total for this example should be 100%, 99%, 100% it should be there. So it will be dividing the data into three parts in this estimation, validation, and the remaining holdout value. So what I can do is, if I write here, let's say 50 as an estimation sample point, validation, if I write as let's say 49, okay, and here random seed I'll put as 1. So what will happen when I execute? The input data was 100 records. If I click on this estimation, I'll be getting 50 records. If you see the estimation, 50 records. Why? Because I've put the number as 50. So 50% of the entire records would be displayed here at the results window. In the validation, if you observe, I'm getting 49 records because I've told them 49% of data should be picked up. And at the end, we have a holdout value, which is a remaining or residual value, which is known as holdout value here. So I'll be getting how much? Only one record at the backend. So because I've put here random seed as 1. So remember, you need to have total value of 100 to get the output. Now again, as I said, this would be a sample data used for different tools in the analysis purpose. So suppose if I put here as let's say 30, and if I put here let's say as 70, and if I execute this workflow, carefully observe, in the estimation, I'm getting 30% records. You see on the left hand side. In the validation, I'm getting 70% records at the left hand side if you see. And in the holdout, I'm getting 0% because nothing is left for the random seed option. So this total should be 100 or less than 100 to get the output. So that's it. I hope you have understood how do we work on create samples in the Alteryx tool. That's all for this video.